PEV stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Phoenix Motor stock. It is 72 cents, 12.7% down. Although it seemed like it actually cooked last couple of days, but this is since we're on the daily chart. Pulling down and correcting a little bit, it's like really not that big of a deal. Now, to kind of give you more context on this, you can see my previous prediction, last prediction I made was actually quite long. Like this was made 6 days ago, right? At the time, I was sitting at 48 cents. I was aiming for like 68, 69, and that since it delivered. Still sitting quite high, and I'm going to get rid of it because I don't want to have it on the chart because it's just making a mess. We have another demand zone, and in this case, it's all about pulling the trigger on this as long as the rules are met. So, which is this. If the price does pull down and if it does show me the shift, then and only then I'm going to look to take things up. As such, this is my confirmation. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.